are going to Boracay. Delayed flight po tayo. Delayed flight. Nainip na ang mag-ina.
Dito na lang muna kami.
Nangunguna ka tayo. Nangunguna.
Walang mag-isa? Sino kasama mo? Bata. Sino kasama mo? Pag-birthday. Hindi siya mag-isa.
Hi guys. Nakasama kami. Birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, little boy.
Good afternoon, dear guests. Welcome aboard AirAsia. This is flight B2227, Pagkatiklan, Boracay. Kindly
Gusto dyan sa gilid eh. Ayo, look at that. Come on. Hi. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes.
Yes.
Are you happy? Oh, look at us. Are you happy? Mommy! Are you happy? Are you happy muna?
magandang hapon po mga mahal naming panahon. Hinip ako.
Kayo ayaw mag-seatbelt.
Birthday! Happy birthday to you! What will you say? Thank you! It's 2:41 PM. And we are about to fly for Teo's birthday. Happy birthday! Happy Teo. What will you say, Teo? Ay, tumangulang. What's your wish today? Good weather. Teo. No harm will overtake you. No illness will come near you. And we say, Amen. To that, oh God. And we're about to fly. Happy 3rd birthday, Teo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Teo. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes. Are you happy? Teo? Are you happy? About to take off. Okay, see you, Bora. Basa siya. Basa ka, Teo.
members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us.
Sakay po kami speedboat. Mga speedboats.
How about Theo? Let's go, let's go.
At bahat. Sa Henan Prime Beach sa Boracay. May tour din para ito lang ang check in na kami. Going to check in to our hotel. Hi guys! Welcome. So nakapag-check-in na kami sa aming room dito sa Boracay, Henan Beach, Prime Beach Resort. So yeah. So ito po. Mamaya magtutur po kami. Say hi! So, upon entrance, ito po yung makikita nating view. So, we have 2 beds. One for the, I think, queen size bed or something. Ito, for Theo. Tapos may salamin po dito. May TV. And ito pa yung CR. Wow, may bathtub. Okay, race. So ito po ang view ng aming race. Love swimming pool. Hey. Tama po.
Sarap ng polo biscuit. Sulit sa price. Laki na tinapay. Garlic bread. Ano? Ticket? Wala akong spices lang. Tagal-tagal. Sarap. Sarap to.
Aga.
Yan, tinuturuan ni Daddy. Galing nga. Ana, wala na. Battery. Yay! Lana, Teo? Lana? Ay. Ang bilis mawala. Ang bilis mawala ng battery. Oh, where's Teo? Ah! Ah! Pogi! Ah! Mateo, where's Teo? Ah! Ah! Ay, happy birthday! No daw. Wala mo dila, wala lighter.
Ouch. Blow the candle. Blow the candle.
Yay! Oh, 1, 2, 3. Blow. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lakasan mo. Ano? 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Yay! Happy birthday!
Very good. Is that a cake?
Yeah.
Ito only happy birthday. More daw, more.
More?
Ang cake na yan. Actually, picture tayo ni Banda. Halika na mag-
Baby, bagong sino.
Ikaw, ready ka na ba dito? Ay, daddy, hindi ko yung ano niya. Theo. Theo. Theo, come on. Let's go. Yay. Ano? Check mo. Check mo kaya.
Let's go to White Sand. Theo. You enjoying? Yes.
Punta ka naman kay Daddy. Yay! Woo! Theo! Grabe, grabe. Yay! Yay! Theo! Are you having fun, Theo? Do you enjoy the Bora Beach? Wow! Enjoy yan? Enjoy yarn? Obviously, mommy. Walk in the water. Ay, walk in the water. Theo, what are you doing?
Hello.
Say hi to the camera.
We are here at Station 1, Boracay. So as you can see, the white sand and the blue sea.
White sand? Is it a white sand?
It's a beautiful place with a beautiful person and a beautiful family.
Hey! Selfie tayo, selfie. Kaya natin background.
There are only a few people here in Station 1. Peaceful.
What's that, Theo? Chess, Love, Reg, Love, Theo. Wow. Wow. Can you read that, Theo? Can you read what is written in the sand? A picture, picture, there. There, picture, picture. Ah, you go there, you go there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look at me, look at me. Look at mommy. Look at mom. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Yay! Done, Theo. Oh, daddy, tum ka. Yay! Daddy! Theo! Okay. Ano tayo? Selfie! Theo, where's mommy? Theo, where's mommy?
Enjoying the twilight. We are enjoying the twilight. still enjoying his sand castle.
Daddy, where's Daddy?